Hey, it's Brian here and welcomes back to the Tech Port. In this video, I'm gonna introduce to you cool smartphone accessories you can buy in 2020. Before we dive into the video, consider the click red subscribe button and press the bell icon for post notification. That will encourage us to create more awesome videos like this.
We all know how it feels to drown a phone. And not only are smartphones expensive to replace, but having to deal with the lost photos, the lost contacts, and the lost apps is simply a pain. Since buying my new iPhone 10, the fear of the water damaged phone has now left me. But being around boats and constantly on the water has me checking my pockets every time I walk down the dock. I wanted my new smartphone to be able to float without any bulky accessories. I needed a device that worked the same as a life jacket but fit seamlessly onto my phone and comfortably into my pocket. That's when I came up with the Phone Floaty. The Phone Floaty comes in high visibility colours, so you can easily spot them if dropped off the side of the boat. It's also buoyant enough to keep your phone in reception, so if you lose it and need to use Find My iPhone, you can. The secret to the Phone Floaty is the buoyancy tested material and the way that it's stuck to your phone. The high grade 3M double-sided adhesive makes sure the floaty doesn't come off when dropped or shaken. Every minute, one garbage truck worth of plastic is dumped into the ocean. Not only will your Phone Floaty stop you from adding to the problem, but 5% for the lifetime of Phone Floaties will go towards keeping our oceans and waterways clean. Starting with proceeds going towards the ocean cleanup, which is estimated to remove half the waste from the Great Pacific Garbage Patch within 5 years' time. Our Phone Floaty designs are ready to go. And all we need now is your support to get each of the different models moulded and into production. For just $15, not only will you be supporting a fantastic cause, but losing your phone to the depths of the ocean will soon be a thing of the past.
In our daily life, we are surrounded by portable devices. What do they have in common? They all die when we most need them. These are some of the devices we carry around. These are the cables we need to charge them. And these are the cables we remember to take with us. Okay, let's start over. These are some of the devices we carry around. And this is the cable you need to charge them. Yes, all of them. Introducing InCharge 6. InCharge 6 allows you to charge and sync USB-C, Apple, and micro USB devices from any USB port. But it doesn't stop there. Since many laptops and power banks are moving to USB-C ports, InCharge 6 features also USB-C as input. Can't find a port around you? Just steal your friend's phone. InCharge 6 supports power transfer from one phone to another, to wireless earbuds, or any other device. Need more freedom? InCharge 6 Max gives you 5 feet of mobility. It's the perfect domestic and travel cable. We've experimented with countless materials in order to make InCharge 6 the most durable keyring cable ever. InCharge 6 faces numerous tests in our factory, but we prefer doing our own, just to be sure. Okay, maybe that was too much. InCharge 6 is already manufacturing, so you don't have to worry about those long crowdfunding waits. We are Rolling Square, a team of designers and engineers based in Switzerland. During the past few years, we have successfully delivered 4 campaigns. Back us today and get your InCharge 6 at the lowest price it will ever be.
After spending months in China with factory development of the Flashy Glove, I got fascinated with how many people there are playing games on their phones and how fast mobile gaming is growing all over the world. However, while watching people play on their phones and when I started playing myself, I noticed a few big problems. The disappearance of the headphone jack, the lack of ergonomics, and above all, the internet connection. So we started designing and engineering a product to solve these problems. And I am happy to present the patent-pending X-Adapter. The X-Adapter is a 6-in-1 adapter with the ability to finally connect an Ethernet cable to your phone. Additionally, the X-Adapter has 2 USB 3.0 ports, HDMI, a kickback stand, and an audio jack. On top of all this, you can use all the ports while charging your phone. All the functions of the X-Adapter works without any third-party app and connect automatically. The X-Adapter is extremely easy to use with its plug-in and play. Simply place the magnet on the back of your phone. The magnet works on all surfaces and all phone cases. After that, plug in the cable and place the X-Adapter with its built-in magnet on your phone. The X-Adapter works on all phones and devices with a USB-C connector. This means that if you're tired of dongles like us, you can also use the X-Adapter for your tablet or your computer. With its sleek and beautiful design, you will barely notice that you have an adapter connected. For tablets, you can put the X-Adapter on the back and connect all the ports that you wish to use. If you're using a MacBook Pro, the X-Adapter connects by itself to the magnets on the computer, or you can always use our magnet and place the X-Adapter on the back of the computer. It is no surprise that gamers around the world prefer cable internet over Wi-Fi due to its high speed, stable connection, and the data security that comes with it. Up until now, this has only been something that console and computer gamers have been using, so we thought it was time to introduce this to mobile gaming as well. With our slick design and engineering, you can simply open up the port and connect the Ethernet cable to the X-Adapter's Gigabit Ethernet port. Once you see the Ethernet symbol on your phone, you are connected and can start gaming at a higher speed and less ping than ever before. Or you might just be tired of lag while you're streaming videos. The X-Adapter also has 2 USB 3.0 ports, which can be used for many different things. Our favorite feature is that you can connect a computer mouse and a keyboard to your phone, if you want to take a break from playing mobile games the traditional way. Besides that, you might feel extra friendly and use USB to help your friends charge their phones. Next, we have the HDMI port, which makes it possible for you to connect your phone to any monitor of your choosing. For example, your computer screen or your TV. This is a perfect addition if you want to elevate your gaming experience and not only look at the small screen that you usually do. You might also want to start using your phone instead of your computer for your awesome presentations. The kickback stand works great for stabilizing your phone while playing games and while watching streams. Or when you take a break from gaming and feel like taking some dangerous selfies. In most competitive games, the sound is extremely important and a crucial factor for your performance. With our audio jack, you can connect your headphones and make sure that you can hear your opponents sneaking up on you. Finally, since we understand that gaming can go on for long sessions, we made sure that you are able to charge your phone with USB-C at all times while using the X-Adapter. With the features combined, you can have a complete gaming station, all of it originating from your phone. Start playing your favorite mobile games and experience them like never before. Or start using your phone at work a few days of the week and skip carrying around your bulky computer. Just plug in the X-Adapter and start grinding. Unlike our first project, the X-Adapter is fully factory developed and ready for the world to experience.
Introducing the ShiftCam multi-lens case for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. Our most advanced, most convenient, and most durable lens set yet. No more fumbling around with lenses and mounts. ShiftCam's patented sliding system makes it easy to switch lenses with just one hand. Simply slide to shift. Always be ready for the perfect shot in a moment's notice. ShiftCam adds 5 high-quality crystal clear lenses for the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max, and 3 for the iPhone 11. The circular polarizer lens is specifically designed to decrease glare, eliminate reflections, and increase contrast for the ultra-wide camera. With the 10x and 20x macro lenses, you'll unleash a whole new world invisible to the naked eye. The intricate details of flora, fauna, and microscopic textures are revealed with these phenomenally sharp lenses. The 4x telephoto for the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max will let you zoom optically, not digitally, and bring what's far near without sacrificing quality. Lastly, the fisheye lens will give you a fun perspective that completely transforms your shots. The new multi-lens case is also compatible with all our Pro Series single lenses, so you can take even higher quality images with unparalleled clarity and sharpness on an iPhone. We upgraded the protection. The protective mil-spec drop-proof case and lens cover ensures you're ready for any adventure or fumble.
Oh, it's okay.
We're also upgrading your selfie game. The multi-lens case for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and Pro Max includes a front-facing lens adapter for our Pro Series single lenses, so you can be ready for those epic selfies, or even slow-fies. Didn't upgrade to the 11? No problem. ShiftCam's got you covered. We've been making multi-lens cases since the iPhone 7 and have every model ready in stock. Just for this campaign, we're offering an exclusive crowdfunding discount on all of them. Whether you're exploring a new city or your backyard, traveling to faraway lands, or just spending time with friends and family, ShiftCam will allow you to capture the world around you in totally new perspectives and take your iPhone photography to a whole new level. Join our global community of photographers.
This is Pivo. In tech speak, it's a smart interactive pod for your smartphone photography. In plain English, it's just an awesome turning awesomeness. It's not going to make your life better, but it is going to let you be insanely creative with your photos and videos. Here's how. Pivo can follow you as you move,
We always start with sanding.
with both front and back cameras. So now your video blogs look pro.
Secret for a perfect cake is all in the ingredients. Oh, I forgot the cream.
It can also follow objects like your moonwalking shoes or your sock puppet Sylvester Stalsock. Adrian! Not the right movie. Pivo partnered with Restream, so whatever you shoot, with Pivo you can go live on over 30 platforms at once, so all your followers can enjoy your sock. Pivo has a lot of quick creation modes. This is Versus Mode. Good for rap battles.
My name drops in, you can kiss my feet.
Yo, whatever.
But also for this.
I'm here with my boo.
Who's that guy?
What guy?
This is Mini-Me. For a shot with Mini You. Even of you coming to hug you but being blocked by you while you look at the entire thing laughing. Man, you're a jerk to you. This is a mode called Perfect Panorama. You know, so there's no this. Ouch. This is Double Take. For videos of everyday bummers. Or for when you want to express how you feel about your diet. This is Flash mode. Go long, Sylvester. And this is 50-50, where 50% of the screen is still, 50% video, and 100% nice. And there's also Tiny Planet and Motion Time-Lapse. It's time-lapse, but with motion. Move it, people! And with the Pivo tray, you can use turntable mode for 360 product shots or to lick ice cream evenly. Pivo can work by snapping your fingers, saying cheese, with a remote, and of course with the app, because it's smart, like you. Pivo is for YouTubers, speakers, comedians, wannabe comedians, content creators, photographers, sock puppets, wannabe sock puppets, and just people. Now it's up to you. Get Pivo. Be creative. Insanely creative.